Block Mission Coordinator SSA Simam Thatlasken West Giant Hills, Kalarakhe Yakaski Kerpang Jong Kathok Kapule, Halor Kapang promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for sustainable and peaceful societies. Hakajing alang balapanyay daw preciously rengklem BRP Thatlasken Block ladon lang kakong APCM District School Education Officer West Giant Hills kum kakong san u Dr. DG Lingdo Principal Thomas Jun Synod College kum usumbut kong san kiwa hechnong kasor Jowai Halayan Mission Compounder Barhol hakasing thoding menta katayo. Layo kajing krentiang burom bar kikentin majpang ha kajing ade bar kapule puthi na kakong lakyang DMC SSA Simam West Giant Hills kajing kren I mesim yaki education volunteer na katina lakyang education volunteer RCF UPS Special Training Center Thatlasken kajing kren lingkor halor ki kambaya ade bar ki Special Training Center la aida kakong akarupa sa BRP Thatlasken Block karba kakong silingdo BMC SSA Simam Thatlasken habakun ka ayaki kentin kublay. Ban penkerpang yang kini kajing rakhe World Literacy Day mentau senam West Giant Hills kaladon ru kajing pen kuburom yaki education volunteers bat ki night school badon hapo kasor Jowai ki balong shibenta kalat banyara ban penduna ya kajing dor ki kena bapep school hapo ka district bat ru ki long ki slam saindor saindar ya ka perkhat perdan ki kena badan hapdeng kajing kulat bat du jing kermen bat shu ladon ru kajing pen kuburom ya ka RCF UPS Special Training Center kum kawai na ki center bajanai tam ka rukom trekam Shu ya kani kajing rakhe lapan phu penpeng bat pensyang shet da kajing roi jing shat jong ki kena skul rengkat kajing sam ya ki prize ya ki kena ba job ha ka drawing painting bat slogan competition bat khadu lapan phu da kajing roi ya ka national anthem.
I would also like to say here that we are thankful to the government that the government is taking various steps, various initiatives to uproot illiteracy and to bring literacy to all the people of the country. And here in our state also, the government is trying its level best to bring literacy to all the districts, to all the villages of the state. And we thank the government of Meghalaya and the government of India that they have introduced a program which is known as the New India Literacy Program. And this program has been carried out in our state, but only in 4 districts. And one of the districts here in Giant Hills is in East Giant Hills. This program has started in East Giant Hills district, the New India Literacy Program.
That there are in different corners of the world, in different parts of the world, there are underprivileged who does not even have access to education. So let us feel that we are lucky enough to have some of these facilities. Literacy, as we all know, is about an overall development. As we have witnessed the world in transition. So there might be lots of cultural changes, there might be lots of technological advancement, there might be lots of social crises and conflicts. And therefore, it is important for us to understand that education plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Education is not only a personal achievement, which means it is not only for the self, but it also goes around to the mass. And we believe that an educated country is a country which flourishes, which grows in development, and overall which lives in peace and harmony.